Hey everyone, India's Agnipath series of Australia finally comes to an end today with Australia completely whitewashing India 4-0. I just am so disappointed, so disappointed. And when this tour started, people were talking about India having a good chance of finally actually winning a series in Australia. But look at how things eventually turned out to be. And it is really very difficult to even understand why this team performed so badly, because the main stalwarts, the main stars, they were all there in the team, and still practically each one of them, especially of course the batsmen, they performed so badly and they consistently failed, across all the four tests. And I think, just to make things so much worse, look at their behavior on field, whether it was Virat Kohli's, middle finger gesture, or the, other taunts and other kinds of verbal abuses being, sent out. I don't know what kind of message you've given. You're pretty much, giving out, other than probably, being poor losers, sore losers, very disappointed. And I somehow feel that you should have handled things in a much better way, and I'm quite disappointed with everything, the way things shaped up. First you lost four tests in a row in England, and then you've lost four tests here, so it's like eight tests in a row. One of the worst performances which the Indian cricket team has seen over a prolonged period of time. And we continue to wait for Sachin's century and so many milestones. We are waiting for some players achieving certain milestones, but at the end of the day, the batsmen have really disappointed. And one thing which I really want to say is that I hope we've seen at least Lakshman and Dravid playing their last test, because there were a lot of hopes from them. They're both pretty much at the sunset of their career, and I would presume that at least Dravid and Lakshman, they have pretty much probably played their last test. Sachin Tendulkar, of course, the legend, he being the legend that he is, I don't think I would like to say anything on those lines for him. But, I think age wise, they're all at a stage where, sooner or later he will also be calling it a day. But I think he definitely deserves, more time, especially since this milestone of 100 hundreds is around the corner. So that, of course, he should, and I'm sure he will achieve that, even though we've been waiting really, really, very long. But I'm sure he will achieve that. But ending on a more positive note, I would really like to see the Indian cricket team come up in a better fashion and come back, and the next series they perform better. Somehow I feel, the performance of the same Indian team overseas often tends to be so poor, and like if you look at around the same time last year, March, April 2011, we were doing so well. We won the World Cup, which was in itself such a huge achievement. But again, we have to remember that it was played in the subcontinent, familiar tracks, familiar pitches, familiar playing conditions. So I think it's very important that the team keeps touring overseas and keeps getting an opportunity to get experienced and get exposed to varied conditions, which is when I think slowly but surely we will see the team improving. And I think from the selectors point of view, there's an urgent need for fresh blood. Fresh blood. They must try and look into the Ranji series. They should look at the domestic players, how they're performing. And there's too much of IPL bashing which is going around. I don't think that is fair. I don't think that the IPL really affects, because there's so many senior players which sometimes don't play in the IPL. And also a lot of them are not playing regularly throughout the year. Some may play in the IPL and not be a part of the national team. They're different. There's so many other players. They're foreign players. So I don't think so. Because the same players in the other teams, they are also playing in the IPL, and they are playing their national commitments. They're doing everything, and then yet they're performing. So I don't think IPL bashing is really justified. But at the same time, I think fresh blood is what is the need of the hour. And I hope that is the learning that we take from this Agnipath series, not Agnipath, which it was, built to be. And, hope that things improve drastically. Looking forward to that. Cheers.